Pretty good overall. We had that wonderful weekend. We have about 3 degrees through the downtown core. Right now we have +1 up at Pearson, +1 as well into Ottawa. -1 as we take a look in towards Windsor this morning. Wind chill just -3, so not terrible whatsoever. Very comfortable conditions. Dry roads, as we just saw that with your report there, Stephanie. And today we got partly cloudy skies and a very nice day. A treat. It is a treat indeed these last few days. 9 degrees for today. Tonight we'll hit down to the freezing mark. Tomorrow we'll build the cloud cover at 8. Into the afternoon, wind direction moves to the northeast. Temperatures will begin to drop. A messy-looking Wednesday as we'll see temperatures of 4 with a little bit of a rain-snow mix into the afternoon, which could provide some very tricky driving conditions on your Wednesday. But enjoy today. Now, let's take a look at your news with Mel.